Welcome to Homophone. So let's go, get your yoga mat and let's practice together.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Inhale, exhale, hands in prayer. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale, hands next to the feet. Right leg back, inhale. Left leg, hold the breath. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead to the ground. Inhale, up, cobra. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg forwards. Exhale, left next to the right. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, exhale, hands together. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, down. Left leg back. Hold the breath, right leg. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, cobra. Relax the shoulders. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left leg forwards. Exhale, right. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, hands together. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, right leg back. The other leg back. Hold the breath. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, cobra. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg forwards. Exhale, left. Inhale, forwards, up and back. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, hands together. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Left leg back. Inhale. Hold the breath. The other leg back. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, cobra again. Exhale, stretch your back in an inverted V. Left leg forwards. Inhale, right. Exhale, and inhale, up and back. Exhale, down. Last round. Deep inhale, exhale, hands together. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward bend. Right leg back. Hold the breath, left leg. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, up into cobra. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg forwards. Exhale, left. Inhale, up and back. And exhale, arms down. Inhale, hands in prayer. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale. Left leg. Inhale. Hold the breath. The other leg back. Exhale, come down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left leg forwards. Exhale, right. And last time, stretch forwards, up and back. Arms down. Bring your legs apart. Take 2-3 deep breaths. And come on your back, relax in Shavasana, relaxation pose. The arms apart, legs apart, toes fall sideways. inside of your body. Relax your face, the jaws, the mouth, nose, cheeks, the eyes, the forehead. Feel your head heavy on the ground. Relax your whole body. Relaxed inhale and relaxed exhale. And then wiggle your toes and your fingers. Bring your legs together and stretch your arms over the head. Stretch long. And come up to sitting with cross-legged. Hands in prayer.